Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to download and install Twitter application in your mobile phone. So for this, if you are using an iOS device or an Android device, the process is very similar. What you have to do is you have to either go to your Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this app. So as I'm using an iOS device, I'll go and click on App Store application. And in this way, at the right side at the bottom, you can see there is a search icon. So just click on the search icon, and here there is a search bar at the top. So you need to tap on the search bar and search for Twitter. And in this way you can see that there is the Twitter app. So click on the Twitter app, and the cloud you can see, just tap on this, which will start your process of installing Twitter application in your mobile phone. So Twitter is basically a social media site which has the primary purpose to connect people and allow people to share their thoughts with a bigger number of audiences. These tweets can contain text, videos, photos and links, and you can freely use this application anywhere with the help of access with your phone through the internet. So Twitter is a very useful application to gain a lot of knowledge and information and to share your thoughts and opinions to your friends, families, or a group of people. So as you can see that our Twitter application is installed, so what you have to do is tap on open, and in this way your Twitter will open, and now you can freely use it and have fun. Thank you.